So this is how you guys are going to do it. Nobody's talking about this jacket, posting about this jacket, and the people that own this jacket, they're trying to be gatekeepers. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Balenciaga black burgundy tracksuit jacket. For you guys wondering, like, why do you want to talk about a basic ass jacket? Please, can I get your attention? The silhouette behind the jacket is very basic. That's why I see the usual high neck, the relaxed body, the elasticated hem and cuffs. But something that stood out that the designer did that gave us more detailing and piping was giving it a raglan sleeve. Imagine the jacket having a normal sleeve like this. I'm not sure we will have more opportunity to do more detailing, but let's go deeper. You don't know how in love I am with them for stopping the piping halfway than letting it drop as usual. It just gives this like connection, because the usual connection now should be flowing like this and flowing like this, but now it's flowing like this because everything is in harmony. Something that caught my attention is why did Balenciaga named this a tracksuit? If everybody knows tracksuits are meant to be light, and you're using leather to make a tracksuit, won't that make it heavy? No jokes, when it comes to leather, there are levels to the thickness. And for Balenciaga to recreate something as light as a tracksuit, man, you should think about it. Going down through the little hierarchy of leathers I know, you see the heavy cow hide, the horse hide, the heavy goat skin, the calf skin. But do you know which one that stands out the most? One that is like the softest, the most delicate, and the lightest. Sheepskin. Like, what were these guys thinking when they say they're going to use sheepskin to make this happen? One thing I liked about this project is trying to use a different family of material to create something very similar, but much more luxurious if you look at it. You guys should hear me out. I'm not trying to say the heavy cowhides can be used in making a jacket, but if I'm going to make a jacket with that material, I'm going to make it to be a racer jacket because it feels much more like an armor that people wear, especially them zooming off with that kind of speed. It secures them pretty safe. But when you want to go for something that imitates a tracksuit, I think the sheepskin does a very good job. I don't know about you guys, but you see the fact of them using black and a touch of burgundy to an extent that when you look at their logo, it's not something shouty, it's just very calm inside the design. It's very respecting, and I can't even think about how I'm going to style the outfit because it's going to be so calm. Let's just start by saying having white inside. Okay, let's forget about it. I don't have this jacket, so let me not talk. I don't want to have like that long throat. The two cartoons this jacket reminds me of is Devil May Cry and Miles Morales. But I see Miles Morales rocking this jacket like crazy. At the end of the day, the jacket is very basic, but when you think about the thought that went through making this jacket, realize that there's a lot going on. And for you guys watching, what is something you would change in this jacket?